Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, August 22nd. We're going to be looking at a much hotter day today and tomorrow as well before we start getting a real nice cool down for the end of the week and in the next week too. Taking a look at our conditions across the area yesterday, we did see a rather warm day for most locations, with many locations reporting just shy of 90 or 90 degrees at our warmest spots. Here at Wallops and at Ocean City, we were able to stay more seasonable due to some onshore flow that we saw, and then we did see a little bit of solar radiation decrease with that eclipse, and that also helped keep those temperatures down to more seasonable levels yesterday for our highs. We did have a muggy morning across the Mid-Atlantic with all locations failing to reach below the mid-70s, except for Baltimore, which did reach down to 70 degrees. Here at Wallops, we only got to a low of 76. Did see some spotty convection to the north yesterday, with some areas receiving just a couple hundredths of an inch of rain around the nation's capital and near Dover. As of 9 a.m., we were seeing a warm start to the day with all locations hovering around 80 degrees, and as of 10 a.m., we're already starting to see temperatures in the mid-80s with those heat index values approaching the mid-90s. So it is going to be a very warm and humid day today, and we do expect those heat index values here at Wallops to reach or possibly slightly exceed 100 degrees. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing southwesterly winds just above the surface, pretty breezy, around 22 knots. But then as we go from the 3,000 to 12,000 foot level, we are seeing winds west-southwesterly only around 10 to 15 knots, and then increasing from the west above that around 25 to 30 knots from 16,000 to 25,000 feet. And we were seeing a pretty high freezing level this morning, just below 16,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis from this morning, we still have some good ridging across the southeastern portion of the United States. That high pressure that was directly over us yesterday has shifted offshore, and that has helped to bring that southwesterly flow across the area, bringing in a warm air mass and abundant moisture at the surface, which is leading to our humid conditions that we are seeing. And then as you see off across the midwestern portion of the country, there is a front starting to move across the area, and that is going to impact us tomorrow, bringing us a chance of rain. And then behind it, we will be seeing temperatures cool down a bit, as well as much less humidity. So taking a look at our satellite and radar loop, not seeing any showers across the area this morning. We do expect that to remain the same throughout the day, as there is quite a bit of subsidence that will prevent any convective afternoon showers from popping up, and we are seeing mostly sunny skies as well, with just a couple low-level clouds across the Delmarva right now, and then we do have a few thin cirrus clouds near the 25,000 foot level as well. As you can see, we are seeing those southwesterly winds across the entire area, with temperatures warming into the mid-80s already this morning. Taking a look at our forecast chart for midday today, we're going to just continue to see high pressure in control as we go into today and into this evening as well. As we go into tonight, we're going to see that front start to approach the area, and that will begin to increase cloud cover as we go into the early morning hours of Wednesday. It does look like any rain chances will hold off until after the noon hour on Wednesday afternoon, but as we go into Wednesday afternoon, that front is going to begin to impact the area with a chance of widely scattered showers and thunderstorms across the entire Delmarva. Looks like primarily between the early afternoon hours and through sunset is our best chance for seeing those showers and storms. And we will be seeing that front kind of slow across the area, perhaps even stalling out as it gets just south of the Delmarva. But as we go into our Thursday, we are going to be seeing a very large surface high move across the northeastern United States from Canada, and that is going to bring a more northerly flow across the region, which will cool down our temperatures quite a bit, as well as bring us much less humidity. So we're going to expect much more pleasant conditions out there as we go to the end of this week and into the weekend, and possibly even into the beginning of next week as well. So that will be something to look forward to. So taking a look at our weather hazards for today, not looking at any chances of rain or lightning today, but we are going to be looking at those heat index values reaching or slightly exceeding 100 degrees. Winds are going to be southwesterly throughout the day, possibly getting a little bit breezy as we go into the late afternoon hours due to that pressure gradient tightening across the area. We are going to be seeing a high today near 89 degrees. And then tonight we're going to continue to see muggy conditions, and that southwesterly flow will continue to be prevalent, and we will see another warm low tomorrow morning of only 77 degrees under partly cloudy skies. And as we go into late tomorrow morning, we'll start to see those partly cloudy skies become mostly cloudy as that front approaches. Just taking a look at our terminal forecast for today. Just expecting a few clouds near the 2,000 foot level for much of the day, and then we are going to be seeing a scattered to broken cirrus deck as well throughout the day. And as we go into tonight, we're just going to be seeing more of the same, possibly a few clouds near the 5,000 and 10,000 foot level approaching late tonight into early tomorrow morning. For the next couple of days, we're going to be seeing one more above average day temperature-wise for Wednesday with a high of 87, and we are going to be getting that chance of widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Not looking like a washout at all. It just looks like those storms are going to be moving through pretty quickly, but it does look like a pretty good chance we are going to see some rain and possibly some lightning here at Wallops for tomorrow afternoon and perhaps in the early evening. For Wednesday night, we could see those showers lingering a bit, possibly just after 8 p.m., but we do expect those showers to be moved out of the area by around 10 p.m. at the latest. And we are going to see, for Wednesday night into Thursday morning, a much more pleasant and seasonable low near 68 degrees as that cooler air starts to move into the area behind that front. And then for Thursday, we are going to start to see that cool down. It's going to be a pretty seasonable day here at here at Wallops under mostly cloudy skies, and we're going to expect a high of 83 with much less humidity as well. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, the next couple days are definitely going to be the hottest days in the extended forecast, with both today and tomorrow in the upper 80s. Thursday is going to be the start of our cool down, still expecting a seasonable day of 83, but as we go into this weekend, we are going to see those temperatures drop to below average with some very nice mornings as well. Morning temperatures dipping down to 60 or possibly even into the upper 50s as we get into this weekend. We are going to see those daytime temperatures very nice as well, only around 80 degrees, and Saturday and Sunday it looks like they're going to even struggle to get to that point with highs of 78 degrees expected. And there's going to be that prevalent northerly flow is going to prevent any low level moisture from really getting into the area, so we're not going to see much in the way of any humidity at all, which is going to be very nice. On Monday, we are going to see an uptick in cloud cover as we get looks like we're going to get some stronger onshore flow developing, as there is going to be a little bit of a system developing off of the southern Carolina or Georgia coast, and that is going to increase onshore flow, and it will be something we'll have to monitor for late next week, as it does look like a very slight possibility of tropical low developing down there, and that is going to at this time look to just bring us some slightly breezy winds as well as continued cooler temperatures for our Monday next week. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. for your operations brief and at 10 a.m. for your weather briefing. Have a great day.